These are our volunteers, okay? And what they're gonna help me do is gonna help me demonstrate how we can create music using, you just wait right here, guys. We can create music using a digital audio workstation like this one right here, all right? So show of hands, who recognizes this specific thing, okay? So that's Ableton Live, very good. This is a digital audio workstation called Ableton Live, right? That song by Happier, or by Marshmello called Happier, that was made with this software. Has anybody ever heard of GarageBand? Okay. GarageBand, also a digital audio workstation. In a digital audio workstation, you can record sounds and you can play sounds in order, moving through time to create music. And that's what we're gonna do right now. You guys see this right here, there's a 4x4 grid. It's 16 total pads. Can you hit the kick drum for me? There you go. I'm gonna hit my kick drum. And I'm gonna hit your snare drum. It's right next to it, snare's right next to it. There you go. And then the hi-hat, right there. She's gonna make a beat, right? And we're gonna take the same tempo as Happier, right? Which is about 100 beats per minute. So she's gonna click on this button right here, and you're gonna see a green dot move across. And she's gonna push the metronome button, and you'll hear beeping. 2, 3, 4. I want you to light up your 2 beat and your 4 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Light those 2 up. Pretend they're hot though. Give them a nice tap. There you go. Now let's listen. You guys see the ones that are lit? When the green note passes it, that's the note that plays, okay? Now she's gonna add a kick to the 1 beat. And let's just listen. 3 notes. Kick, snare, snare, kick, snare. You see how it's very easy already to follow the rhythm of that beat? Go ahead, keep on. Let's listen. I like that. Very cool, right? This is one variation, right? Now, I want her to add some hi-hats. And do you think the energy is gonna go up if we add hi-hats? Or is it gonna go down? Show of hands if you think it's gonna go up. Okay? Show of hands if you think the energy is gonna go down when we add hi-hats. Okay? More for up. Okay, let's see what happens, okay? So now just add in the first 2 rows, add as many as you like. Just do it real quick. Oh, I got it. So let's listen. Did the energy go up or did it go down? It went up. So when you add hi-hats, you add energy. Very good. Let's go ahead and give her a hand for that beat. Very good. You can have a seat, Claire. Okay. And